Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must start with authorization. Ask your IT admin if the tablet is managed. Once approved, check for mobile device management restrictions that prevent changes. Next, unlock the tablet and go directly to Settings, then Display, then Wallpaper. You're doing this so changes comply with policy and don't break device profiles. Make sure the tablet stays charged and online. If Settings shows wallpaper options, proceed. If the option is missing, stop and contact IT. Do not attempt to bypass management controls. You'll now pick a permitted image. Use defaults or an approved gallery photo to stay compliant. Once selected, crop or scale the image so important elements aren't cut off. Preview for both lock and home screens to confirm placement. Press Apply and then choose whether to set the image for home, lock, or both screens. Wait for the confirmation prompt. This ensures the change propagated. If the wallpaper resets or fails, note the error message and stop making further attempts until you check policies. After applying, reboot the tablet to ensure the wallpaper loads consistently. Make sure both lock and home screens show the update. If it reverted or did not apply, capture any error text and check whether MDM enforced a default image. This is often why changes fail. Don't attempt workarounds that bypass security. Instead, contact IT support, provide the device ID, OS version, and screenshots so they can adjust policies or push approved images centrally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.